If you got $100,000, what would you do with it? Buy a new car? Maybe invest in some real estate or start a business? Well, whatever you do, don't waste it. In this series, we uncover the habits and mindsets that have made the world's wealthiest people the most successful. No one invested. Are you a saver or a spender? Well, Warren Buffett was always a saver. If he had $100,000 today, he'd probably invest it. And if you look at his investment strategy, it's pretty simple. He looks for good companies with strong fundamentals and buys their stocks for the long term. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it works. Over the past 50 years, Buffett's investment in stocks has grown by 6.5% annually, which means that $100,000 invested in 1970 would be worth over $1 million today. Number 2, give it away. How much money do you need to be happy? Well, Warren Buffett says he doesn't know. He's never done a study. But he does know that having a lot of money doesn't buy happiness. In fact, he says that giving away money can actually make you happier than spending it. That's why he gives away billions of dollars every year to charity. In fact, he's pledged to give away 99% of his wealth over his lifetime, no? 3, live below your means. Well, according to Warren Buffett, you should spend no more than 1/3 of your income on housing. This means that if you make $100,000 a year, you should spend no more than $33,000 on housing. And Buffett follows this rule himself. Number 4, don't follow the crowd. When everyone else is buying, you should think about selling. When everyone else is selling, you should think about buying. This is counterintuitive, but it makes sense when you think about it. People are emotional. They buy high when they're excited, and they sell low when they're scared. But you can use this to your advantage if you do the opposite. Of course, this takes a lot of discipline and courage, but the results can be worth it. No. 5, be patient. Good things take time. This is something that Warren Buffett has learned over his 70 years of investing. He knows that you can't get rich quick. In fact, he says that if you try to do that, you'll probably end up broke. So be patient and invest for the long term. It's the best way to grow your wealth. No. 6, read a lot. Knowledge is power. This is something that Warren Buffett has always believed. He's an avid reader, and he says that he spends several hours every day reading books and financial statements. This is how he stays ahead of the curve and finds the best investments. So if you want to be like Warren Buffett, start by reading more. And no. 7, never give up. Even if you lose everything, you can always make a comeback. Warren Buffett lost 50% of his net worth in the 2008 financial crisis, but he didn't give up, kept investing, and he's now back to making billions of dollars a year. So never give up on your dreams, no matter how hard things get. So there you have it, 7 things Warren Buffett would do if he had $100,000. What will you do with your $100,000? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more tips on how to become a millionaire, stay tuned.